I wanted to make this really long video for YouTube for alcohol because when I started teaching yoga, my students used to call me Wine Baba. I had told them that when I retire to the Himalayas or some mountain and I live in a cave, I love Barolo, the wine, so much that please, once a month, somebody just send me a bottle of Barolo to my cave and I'll be very happy. And they all used to laugh, and I used to laugh because I loved red wine. What I want to share with you is this knowledge and this information that despite some doctors telling you that a glass of wine is good for you, there's no amount of alcohol that's good for you or safe to consume. It's the worst thing you can do for your body. Alcohol causes cancer. In fact, many countries around the world are making it compulsory, just like the packet of cigarettes, to write cancer and that alcohol causes cancer at the back of the bottle. It's becoming compulsory in more and more countries as we go along. It's a really cool thing to do if you're with friends, you're hanging out, and like in fact, when you're not having alcohol with your friends, they make fun of you. Dump those friends. If they don't respect the fact that you want to be healthy and you choose that lifestyle, get rid of them. Understand how alcohol destroys your life. Like I said, I loved my red wine so much and I love my single malt so much. But now that I know how harmful it is, I have it once a month, twice a month. I know how to balance it out because it's acidic. I know what I have to do the next day. But the damage that alcohol does to your gut, to your brain, to your nervous system, every inch of your body, your DNA is damaged by alcohol. It's the worst thing you can do for your life. Understand the concept of the harm that alcohol does to you. And if you don't have alcohol, please share this with someone who does. Help as many people as you can by sharing this video because alcohol is one of the biggest killers we see in this planet today. I go to Europe and I see people having beer at 8 o'clock in the morning on the breakfast table. There's a culture in Europe, especially in countries like the UK, where in the evening you see everybody in the pub having large amounts of beer. They have these big glasses of these called pitchers of beer and they're just guzzling it. And first of all, it's so cold. In Ayurveda, we know that if you have something so cold, it gives a shock to your system. It destroys your digestive power, your Agni, causes obesity and dozens and dozens of other problems. So many bad effects of alcohol. It's a pure, unrefined poison. Know that it's a poison. Take it out of your life. Please. Satnam.